M'bral tester nous pour moi. Qui est-ce qui a répondu question job interview yo? Après qui est-ce qui a étudié? Fais une vidéo. Fais un duo avec vidéo ça. Répondre question job interview. En avant. Number 1. Good morning, Mr. Paul. Thank you for coming to the interview. Where are you from? For how long have you been in the U.S.? Are you authorized to work in the United States? How did you hear about this job? Do you have a green card? Do you have a social security card? Our company is looking for people who can work full-time with benefits. Are you interested? Tell me about your skills. Okay. Okay, very good. What type of experience do you have? Okay, tell me about yourself. How can you be reached? When will you be available for work? Or when will you be available to start working? Okay? We will contact you as soon as possible. Thank you for coming.